Sometimes the best way to convey your design intent is with a photograph. Fortunately, AutoCAD makes it easy to insert images into a drawing. In this lesson, we'll learn how to attach an image. On my screen, I have a drawing that represents a portion of a floor plan. You know, sometimes looking at your geometry like this, it's hard to convey to your client what the finished project will look like. What I've done is create a rendered image of this waiting room, and I'd like to insert that image into this drawing. I'll start by panning this over, and to insert the image, I'll select the Insert tab, and then I'll come down and click Attach. Images are considered external references just like drawings. In the Files of Type menu, I'll make sure that All Image Files is selected, and then in the Exercises Files folder within the Attaching Images directory, I'll select this image, 01 Arch Render, and I'll click Open. This brings up the Image Attach dialog box, where you'll see a lot of the same settings that we see when we attach to a drawing. Typically, when inserting an image, you will want to specify the insertion point and scale. That way, you can set the location on screen and drag it out to size. As far as the rotation angle is concerned, I'm going to leave this unchecked. I'm happy with an angle of 0. I'm also happy with the relative path. If I open this, you'll see the same options that we have when we link to a drawing. I'll click OK when finished. I am now holding the image at my cursor. I'll click once to place it, I'll pull out and click again to set the size. I'm sure you will agree that this is a lot more descriptive than this. As a bonus, this image will display and print with the same fidelity you would expect from a photo editing program. I should also mention that when you insert an image into your drawing, that image will be placed on the current layer. As you can see, a layer was already created for this image. As far as AutoCAD is concerned, it treats these images like a single object, which makes them easy to move, rotate or scale. As an example, I'd like to move this image down such that top edge is flush with the north wall of this building. To do that, I'll use the Move command and I'll select the image. Very important, we have to select images from the edge. I'll pick it up from the upper left corner and I'd like to place it perpendicular to this wall. Images can be scaled using these grips. I'm going to select the grip in the lower right corner, and so long as my ortho is turned off, I can drag this up or down and set it to whatever size I like. As you can see, AutoCAD makes it easy to incorporate imagery into your design. Images are also a great way to display company logos, location maps, even signatures. When it comes to referenced images, there is virtually no limit to what you can do.